Today we have to explain the question number 4 of exercise 5.1 of class 10th arithmetic progression. In this question, we have to explain in the given series are AP or not. If it is an AP, we have to find the common difference D and also write the three more terms. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बताना है कि गिवन सीरीज एपी है या नहीं। अगर एपी है तो इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा और इसमें आगे की थ्री टर्म्स क्या होंगी। सीरीज इज 2, 4, 8, 16। Here the first term a1 is 2, second term a2 is 4, third term a3 is 8, fourth term equal to 16. First we have to calculate a2 minus a1 means second term minus first term equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Third term minus second term equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Fourth term minus third term equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8. In this way we have to see that a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2 is not equal to a4 minus a3. Means every time difference is different. So we can say that in the above list difference is not same, so the list of number is not an AP. In the second part, the series is given 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2 and so on. Here the first term A1 is 2, second term A2 is 5 upon 2, third term is 3 and fourth term is 7 upon 2. So first we have to find the difference between the two consecutive terms. First a2 minus a1 means second term minus first term equal to 5 upon 2 minus 2. Here denominator is 2, so we have to take the LCM 2. We get 5 minus 4 upon 2. We get 1 upon 2. Similarly, the third term minus second term equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2. Denominator is 2, so LCM is 2. Numerator becomes 2 3 is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 become 1 and denominator is 2, so difference is 1 upon 2. Fourth term minus third term equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3 equal to 7 minus 6 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. So you have to see that every time difference is same, we get 1 upon 2 in each case. So a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to a4 minus a3 equal to 1 upon 2. Since difference is same in each case, so we can say that above list of numbers is for an AP. तो इस तरीके से ये वेरीफाई होगा कि गिवन सीरीज कैसी है AP. जब AP है तो इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा? द कॉमन डिफरेंस D is equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to the difference we have to find above. Now we have to calculate the three more terms. So fifth term equal to fourth term plus common difference means 7 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, we get 8 upon 2. 2 से 8 cancel out हो जाएगा, we get 4 means fifth term equal to 4. Sixth term equal to fifth term plus common difference, that is 4 plus 1 upon 2. We have to take LCM 2, we get 8 plus 1 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2. It means that the sixth term of AP is 9 upon 2. Now the seventh term A7 equal to A6 plus D means 6 term plus common difference. We get 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. 2 is LCM. We get 9 plus 1 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2. 2 से 10 को divide करेंगे, we get 5. In this way, the 7th term of AP is 5. So the next 3 terms are 4, 9 upon 2 and 5. Third part is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. The first term A1 is minus 1.2, second term is minus 3.2, third term is minus 5.2, fourth term is minus 7.2. So second term minus first term equal to minus 3.2 minus minus 1.2. Minus minus become plus. So we get minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Since sign are opposite, so we have to subtract these terms. We get minus 2.0. Similarly, the third term minus second term is equal to minus 5.2 minus minus 3.2. We get minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Subtracting these two terms, we get minus 2.0. Similarly, the fourth term minus third term, we get minus 7.2 minus minus 5.2. We get minus 7.2 plus 5.2. Subtracting, we get minus 2. In this way, every time the difference is the same number. So we can write A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 equal to minus 2. Since the above list of number is formed an AP because difference is same. Since it is an AP, so we can write the common difference D. Common difference D equal to minus 2. Now we have calculated the next 3 terms. The fifth term is fourth term plus common difference equal to minus 7.2 plus minus 2. We get minus 9.2. Similarly, the sixth term equal to fifth term plus common difference, that is minus 9.2 plus minus 2. We get minus 11.2. Seventh term equal to sixth term plus common difference. We get minus 11.2 plus minus 2. We get minus 13.2. In this way, the next 3 terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13 upon 2. Part is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So the first term A1 is minus 10, A2 is minus 6, third term A3 is minus 2 and the fourth term A4 is 2. So second term minus first term we get minus 6 minus minus 10. Minus minus become plus. So minus 6 plus 10 we get 4. Third term minus second term equal to minus 2 minus minus 6. Minus minus plus we get minus 2 plus 6. We get 4. Fourth term minus third term equal to 2 minus minus 2. Further minus minus become plus. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We see that every time difference is same, it is equal to 4. So we can write A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 equal to 4. So we can say that above list of the number is form an AP. Means above series क्या है? AP. और इसका common difference क्या होगा? The common difference D is 4. Now we have to find the next three terms. Fifth term is 4 term plus common difference. That is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Sixth term equal to fifth term plus common difference. Sixth term is 6 and common difference is 4. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Seventh term is sixth term plus common difference. Our sixth term is 10 and common difference is 4. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. In this way the next three terms are 6, 10 and 14 is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So the first term A1 is 3, second term A2 equal to 3 plus root 2, third term A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2. We have to calculate the difference A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term. We get 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Bracket open करेंगे तो 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. So we get root 2. Similarly, the third term minus second term. We get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. 3 प्लस 2 रूट 2 माइनस 3 माइनस रूट 2. वी गेट 3 कैंसिल आउट. 2 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 2 वी गेट रूट 2. फोर्थ टर्म माइनस थर्ड टर्म इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 3 रूट 2 माइनस 3 प्लस 2 रूट 2. ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, 3 प्लस 3 रूट 2 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 रूट 2. 3 से 3 कैंसिल आउट हो गए. 3 रूट 2 माइनस 2 रूट 2 वी गेट रूट 2. मीन्स एवरी टाइम द डिफरेंस इज रूट 2. सो वी कैन से दैट A2 माइनस A1 इक्वल टू A3 माइनस A2 इक्वल टू A4 माइनस A3, that is equal to root 2. Every time difference is same. So the above given list of the number is formed an AP. And their common difference day is equal to the difference find we above. So common difference day is root 2. Now the fifth term A5 equal to fourth term plus common difference. That is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. That is 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term equal to fifth term plus common difference. So 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 we get 5 root 2. So the sixth term is 3 plus 5 root 2. Similarly the seventh term is sixth term plus common difference. That is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. 3 का 3 आ गया और 5 root 2 plus root 2 क्या हो गया? 6 root 2. So the seventh term is 3 plus 6 root 2. In this way the next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2.